Welcome to GEESYS. This is regarding voltage stabilizer for air conditioning equipments. We manufacture 4 different ratings of stabilizers suitable for 110, 1.510, 210 and 2.510 air conditioning equipments, and also 4 different input ranges of stabilizers suitable for your main incoming voltages. And all these models are having all type of protection like over voltage, under voltage, overload and also surge protection. It will protect your AC against all type of problems, and all equipments are having intelligent time delay mechanism so that it will protect your AC from all type of power fluctuations. And the new dedicated software makes you to use this stabilizer both for inverter AC and also for normal AC. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது ஏசி ஸ்டெபிளைசர் ரெக்குயர்மெண்ட் வேண்டியிருந்தால் நீங்கள் GEESYS டெக்னாலஜியை கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். உங்களது ஏசியின் பாதுகாப்பிற்கு புதிய நம்பிக்கை GEESYS வோல்டேஜ் ஸ்டெபிளைசர்.